Hello po, so good day po sa inyong lahat. So welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitsabache. And today po ang i-discuss po natin is yung third video po of our 3-part series. Okay, yung expert series po natin. And we will tackle about association juice po. Okay po, so stay tuned po and ipi-play na po natin. Maraming salamat po. But before we start po, please don't forget to subscribe po on my YouTube channel po para maging updated po tayo and ma-notify po kayo every time po na mag-upload po ako ng bagong video kay YouTube po. Ay po, maraming salamat po. So let's start po. So today po ang i-discuss po natin is about association juice naman. Okay? So yung first part po natin, diniscuss natin is yung kung paano po tayo mag-reserve, kung paano po gagawin natin pagka mag-inquire po tayo. And then yung second po is yung 102 inspection po natin. And then this last part video po is yung ano po natin, yung association juice naman natin. Okay? So bakit po ba merong association dues? So the first question is, why am I paying a monthly association dues? Okay po. So property management. So as a unit owner, you are a member of a properties condominium corporation. So automatic po 'yon. So upon the turnover po nun, so member na po lahat po ng unit owners is magiging member po ng condominium corporation po natin. And then moving on po. So your condo corp through your property management office governs and management of the project. So ganito po mangyayari. So member tayo ng condominium corporation, pero meron tayong tinatawag na yung property management office. So sila naman yung nag-specialize to maintain, to manage the condominium, the project itself po. So ano po yung scope of of work nila. So ito pa i-discuss po natin. So the first one po, ayan. So a condominium corp po, of course, is an association of, kagaya nga po nabanggit ko kanina, association of owners of condo units of the property. So you yourself po, your unit owners po, so member po lahat yon. Monthly association dues compromises of your share in the expenses of the condominium corporation. So, ano-ano po iyon? So, moving on po. Alright. So, what expenses are these, you may ask? Okay, so ito po yung mga kasama po sa expenses natin. Of course, unang-una sa security natin. So, 24/7 po yung security. Here with the MCI Homes, 24/7 po yung security po natin. So kasama po yun sa binabayaran po natin sa association dues. And then the next one po, of course, yung si housekeeping and sa maintenance po. So kasama po yun, yan sa maintenance. So kasama po yun sa association dues, covered po yun sa mga binabayaran natin. Of course, sa landscape po ng mga gardens natin in the amenity area. So sila po yung mga nagme-maintain. And of course, yung office supplies natin sa property management office. And yung salary and professional fees po natin of the employees and service provider. So kasama rin po yun. And of course, yung minor maintenance natin and repairs, okay? Pagdating po sa building po natin. And yung communication facilities. Okay? So, and it also includes yung garbage collection natin. And yung permits and licenses po natin. And then, ano pa po? So, kasama rin po yung safety seminars and drills. Okay, and community events and activities. So, here with the MCI Homes po, very active po yung property management office natin. So, beside po doon sa syempre sa pag-take care nila ng property po natin, ng building po natin, they also sometimes make community events and activities. So very very active po sila, especially on this during pandemic area. They fully support, okay, they fully inaalagaan po nila ng mabuti yung mga unit owners po natin. So isa po rin po ako sa mga saksi po kung paano po sila mag-alaga sa ating mga unit owners. Okay, so very very po sila. So 2 thumbs up po for our property management office po. Okay pa. So moving on po is note that outside of the monthly dues, special assessment fees may also be collected. So special assessments are deemed significant and critical to the community upkeep. This includes the following po. So pero sometimes may mga additional pero for a long term naman po ito. So sometimes ito, first itong repainting of the building. Okay po. And then the next one is yung major elevator repairs. So sometimes pagka minor nako-covered ng association, pero pagka major medyo kailangan po natin baga may additional fee po tayo. Of course ito pong purchase of additional equipments po. Okay? So the collection of association dues starts once kailan po tayo magsisimula na magbayad. Of course, pagka po na-turn over na po and na-accept nyo na po yung unit and parking slots po. Okay, so that's the time po na mag-start po tayo ng association dues natin. So, for the terms po, meron po tayong mga selected na terms of payment pagdating po doon. So, i-discuss po iyon pagka po ma-turn over na po sa inyo yung unit. So, actually, dalawa po yun. Pwede tayong mag-monthly and pwede rin tayong mag-yearly. Okay? So, manalaman po ninyo yun pagka mata-turn over na po sa inyo yung unit. Okay? So, owners and residents should work together in taking care of the whole property. Of course, syempre, sariling property mo rin na rin yung the whole project po. Hindi lang po yung unit ninyo. So, meron na rin kayong share doon sa buong project po. Okay? Not just their own units po. And then, the next one po. So, this would help minimize expenses and on upkeep and maintenance and keep the property in good shape for many years to come. So, yun po. So, syempre, yun po yung mga covers po natin sa association dues po natin. So, that covers all po. Okay, so, if you have any more questions po and concerns, nandyan po yung number ko po sa taas. So, pwede nyo po akong i-message po through my WhatsApp, through WeChat, through my Facebook Messenger. And at the same time, pwede nyo rin po akong email. And if meron po kayong interested on any of our projects, pwede po tayong mag-set po ng online presentation po. Okay po? And of course, please don't forget po to hit that subscribe button and yung notification bell po natin, para maging updated po tayo every time po na mag-upload po ako ng bagong video dito po sa YouTube. Okay po? So maraming salamat po and God bless po. Thank you for watching po and stay safe po. Bye-bye po.